A low, wedge-shaped front helps the car slice through the air with minimal resistance. Large air intakes feed cool air to the engine. Large air intakes feed cool air to the brakes. Vents. Scoops are carefully placed to manage airflow and keep the car stable at high speed. Look at a car like a Pagani Huayra. Active aerodynamic flaps, sculpted mirrors shaped like a woman's eye. These elements aren't just for show. They are functional engineering that helps the car perform. Giant rear wings create downforce. Downforce pushes the car onto the road, giving tires more grip in corners. While the final shape is breathtakingly beautiful, its form is born from function. Designers are artists working with the laws of physics as their paint and canvas. If the engine is the heart of a supercar, then its sound is its voice. And what a voice it is. The sound of a high-performance engine is one of the most exciting and emotional parts of the entire experience. It's a mechanical symphony, a raw and powerful noise that speaks directly to the soul of any car enthusiast. Each type of engine has its own unique character and its own distinct song. A big American V8 has a deep rumbling burble at idle that turns into a thunderous roar as the revs climb. Then, you have the Italian masters. A Ferrari 512, for example, produces a sound that is completely different. It's a high-pitched, complex wail that shrieks and soars as it races toward its red line. It sounds more like a Formula One car from a bygone era than a road